It's July, it's finally summer. A lot of you are taking vacation, spending time outdoors, doing a whole bunch of activities. Who feels like working out, right? You're busy, I'm busy, and it's around this time of the year where our motivation starts to dissipate a little bit. But we're not gonna miss a challenge. Let's compromise. This month's challenge is gonna be quick and effective. All my workouts this month is guaranteed between 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, super quick, super effective. In each routine, we're getting straight to the point and targeting your most important needs. We got a cardio and steps routine using water bottles as resistance, a strength routine using a light travel bag. We'll be strengthening our core and improving our stability using a wall, lubricating your cracky joints and muscles with a nice morning routine to start off your day. And we're gonna wind down and end our day with a nice relaxing mobility routine to help you relax after a long day of activities this summer. All this is perfect for summer, for your vacation, if you're at a hotel and you need something quick and effective. And if you're a beginner looking for something gentle that won't take too much of your time, this is where it starts. It's super easy to join the challenge. Go directly to justinagustin.com or download the Justin Agustin Fitness app. Subscribe to a plan that works for you. Click on July's monthly challenge and jump right in. And for all my members who are already subscribed, I will see you at the first workout. You totally got this.